10 Foolproof Strategies for Scaling Your Business in the USA. The United States of America is the land of opportunity, especially when it comes to business and entrepreneurship. Scaling your business in the USA can be a challenge, but with the right plan of action, it's definitely achievable. Here are 10 foolproof strategies to help you scale your business in the USA. 1. Research your market. The first step in scaling your business is to research the market. You need to find out what your competitors are doing, what your target audience is looking for, and what your industry's trends are. Identify your niche, assess the size of the market, and analyze the demand. 2. Develop a business plan. Once you have researched your market, it's time to develop a business plan. The plan should outline your goals, strategies, and tactics. Make sure you have a clear vision of your business and set realistic goals. 3. Establish your brand. Branding is crucial when it comes to scaling your business. Establish your brand by creating a strong online presence, social media following, and advertising campaigns. Make sure your brand is memorable and stands out from your competitors. 4. Get funding. Scaling often requires financial investment. Finding funding is crucial at this point. Look for investors, apply for loans, or take advantage of government grants and incentives. 5. Build a strong team. As your business grows, so should your team. Hire talented, motivated, and experienced professionals who share your vision for your company. Invest in their training and education, and provide them with the necessary tools for success. 6. Leverage technology. Technology can streamline your business processes, automate repetitive tasks, and provide valuable insights into your operations. Consider implementing cloud-based software, customer relationship management systems, and automation tools. 7. Expand your product or service offering. Once you have established your brand and gained a foothold in your niche, it's time to expand your product or service offering. Research your market and consider adding complementary offerings. 8. Network and build relationships. Networking and building relationships with industry leaders, investors, and other entrepreneurs is vital when scaling your business. Join industry associations or attend conferences and events to get exposure and build relationships. 9. Test and optimize. Testing and optimization are essential to ensure your efforts are effective. Experiment with different tactics, A/B test your advertising campaigns, and use data to make informed decisions. 10. Measure success. Finally, it's important to measure your success. Use metrics such as revenue, customer satisfaction, and customer retention rate to track your progress. Use this data to adjust your strategy and tactics as necessary. Scaling your business in the USA can be challenging, but by following these strategies, you'll set yourself up for success. Remember to focus on your brand, build a strong team, take advantage of technology, network, and measure success. Want to learn more? Visit our channel ZZ.